it all before me. The days of love and torment, the nights of rock and roll. I see it all before me. Sometimes my spirit's empty, don't have the will to go on. I wish someone would send me energy. Give me something to give. Oh God, give me something, a reason to live. My body is aching, I want sympathy. Come on, come and love me. Come on, set me free. Set me free. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. He lead me to the path of righteousness for his name's sake. And yea, though I walk through the garden of the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Hey Lord, I'm waiting for you. Oh God, I'm waiting for you. Wait to open your 98 wounds and leave me, leave me, leave me. I leave me. Give me something to live. Oh God, give me something, a reason to live. I don't want to hand out, no sympathy. Come on, come and love me. Come on, set me free. Set me free. Set me free. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all